Today we're going to show you how to remove a hood. In this case it's a 2011 Kia Rio. First thing to do is identify your vehicle and find a hood that looks good. In this case, don't see any rust. So we have 4 bolts to remove. In the case of a hood, it's pretty straightforward. 2 bolts on that side, 2 on this side. They'll be, I already checked, it'll be a handy 12mm ratchet, and that's all it'll take. You'll want to start to loosen all the bolts before you pull them all out, otherwise the hood's just going to fall down on you. So I got this side here, I'll go over to the other side and loosen the other 2. Again, it doesn't get much easier than removing a hood at KIA Rio. There we go. My 4 bolts are loose now. They're actually finger loose. I can start to turn them off by hand. So we'll go ahead and get this side right off. You see the hood starts to tilt, so that's where you need a little bit of support. So I get one here, the other one here. Here's where it's handy to have a little bit of help. I've got my assistant here to come and hold this side. Want to come grab that, please? Keep that from falling. You'll see most hoods are the same. You'll almost always find there'll be 3 or 4 bolts per side. And if you don't need the bolts, you're always best to leave them with the vehicle. You never know, someone may come and just need bolts. So we try and leave all the parts. And there we go. It's just about that simple. I'm just going to remove the support again. Snap that back up there. And my hood's off, ready to go to install in my own vehicle. So it only took 1 tool and a few minutes to pull this hood. I've saved hundreds of dollars like you always do at KIA Rio.